Resilience Café is a place where we meet and exchange information, in this case about resilience.
There are several workshops. You can pick a workshop that you find interesting or appealing. You can have some drinks, you can have some snacks and hopefully enjoy yourself.
So with my group I'm trying to teach first year students about climate adaptation and how to create a city that's better for the future.
Our topic for my group is about social resilience, but we also have about climate resilience, environmental resilience, economical resilience and about climate refugees.
The most important things I learned from this minor is to work with different backgrounds and different nationalities.
I came here because I want to see a difference. It's the beginning of a bigger, resilient society.
I hope that I can send people home with more knowledge.